What's going on? We're in Hoh National Park. There's a bunch of fallen trees here. There's some mushies. Oh, there it is. There. Oh, mushrooms. And we're starting these vlogs. We're going to make them sideways now. I figure they're long form videos. I think people will like them better if they're sideways. So that's the goal. Let's enjoy this hike together, shall we? That's cool. It says the atmosphere is so fertile that some plants thrive on air. Whoa, look at this gnarly son of a gun. In the industry, we call that stilts. Hello? Happens when a tree grows on top of the stump of another tree. Eventually the stump erodes and the roots are exposed to air. And roots don't like air, so they bark up. Becomes effectively the outer part of the tree. Pretty cool. Looks like that big guy had the same situation. Jurassic Park. What could possibly go wrong? I wonder what kind of spruce that is. Maybe it's a Douglas fir and I'm just being silly. Spruce burl. It is a Douglas fir. Nope, Sitka spruce. That's so clear. Wowee. Look at the moss on that guy, huh? Oh, he's dead.
I know. How could they?
Hello. Where? Right there. Whoa. That's tall. I guess there's no cedars there. This sworn I'd seen some cedars. Neat. I slapped the butt. This is wild. They're so tall. Giant trees. Beautiful. Big kaboo. A lot of wood in that guy. I bet Jake would say this block is worth millions of dollars. Please stay behind fence. I want to go on the fence. Nice stilts, bro. You brought your camera. Whoa. Look at his stilts. I'm willing to bet the soil level was just higher up on him back in 1200 AD. Isn't that crazy? This guy's older than the Renaissance. Thank you. Reminds me of Avatar. Look at that. Wild. Do you think it's parasitic? Big leaf maples supporting large, dense clusters of club moss. Woodpecker holes. Or both. This thing's huge. One slice of this tree would make such a nice round coffee table. Imagine if you just turned one big tree like this into 100 coffee tables.
I don't have my boots in four-wheel drive.
No? Whoa. Gnarly. Are you on pan? It's gonna be too wobbly.
Alert just came up on your phone from Alex Jones. Friday, nuclear Armageddon alert. The only reason I read it is because it popped up.
Yeah, Twitter gives me some pretty funny things that I never ask for. I get a lot of Andrew Tate and I don't even know who that is.
Causing us a piece of garbage.
Is he?
Yep.
Oh. I'm gonna send a personalized video to Dan quoting Avatar. You are not in Kansas anymore. Everything out there wants to kill you and eat your eyes for jujubes.
Is that how it's pronounced? Jujubes, not jujubes?
For some reason that's how people in the South pronounce it.
Really?
Always bothers people. I don't really care. I think it's hilarious. A tangle of thorns. Nurse logs. Oh, that makes sense. It's like stilts, but lengthwise. Grab on to a lache gainer. I think the line is actually, you are not in Kansas anymore. Respect that fact. Every second of every day. Everything out there wants to eat you. No, everything out there wants to kill you. Eat your eyes for jujubes. I think there's like a shit you out line in there too. Dan would be disappointed in me. At one point in college, we watched the whole movie and quoted every line. Saw something really cool. Season 10 of Alone. A guy found a giant artist conch, and they're really white underneath, right? He was getting headaches from only having headlamps at night. So he set it up as a lamp. He shone the headlight right into the artist conch, and it reflected outwards, providing more dull light, but diffused and dispersed near me. Yeah, I thought that was cool.
I've seen that before. It's nautical butterflies.
Indeed. Check what's in there. How hollow is it?
A little bit. Trunk is 190 feet long. This is only a portion of the original season.
Giving a headache? No. We're too low. We need to get to higher elevation stat. We need a mountain. And the barometric pressure's higher when you're down here. How many wheelbarrows of gravel do you think it took to make this trail? They had dirt bikes towing trailers. I don't know. Maybe the inherent need to feel loved, seen, and famous.
Oh, this is where we started.
Look at that slender boy. Did you want to eat that deer? Okay. Well, we'll go back to our campsite and then we can walk you up and down the road a little bit. Elk crossing.
We got some little elkies over here.
Someday I'd like to be in a cool rainforest like this. Oh, wait. Double dipping. What is real?